one of the very basic features that we have in ETS 6 is the new way of licensing the software. We have introduced, additionally to the dongle-based licensing, the cloud licensing, which means that I can run my ETS 6 without the need of a dongle. How do I do that? The first time that I start my ETS, it will ask me for my KNX account credentials. So I can log in, and once I'm connected to my account, ETS will automatically fetch the available licenses that are available for me. I will pick one, and then I will click Activate. At that step, ETS will ask me the storage where the license shall be stored. I can either select my computer, which will then create a cloud license, which means I don't need the dongle anymore, or I can use a dongle and then the license will be stored on the dongle. So if I select the computer, I click Activate, and then my ETS 6 starts licensed.